Alright everybody, it's been 15 minutes with the crock pot on high. I just wanted to melt this butter a little bit and get some of these flavors going first before I did add the steaks. Now some people like to brown their steaks on the stove first, but I don't really care to do that. I just want them to sit on top of the onions here and kind of marinate in with that flavor. Now, before we get started on that, I'll pop open my garlic. What I want to do is put them in there. Now they're frozen. See, they're kind of they're soft a little bit, but they're frozen. And I just want to lay them in there like that. And I'm going to put a spoonful. Let's see here, that means of garlic on top there. And put that in there like that. And just let that soak. And then we're going to leave that on high. Okay, everybody, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's get this out of here. Oh, yummy, yummy. This looks so good. Very tender, you guys. Smells awesome. And this is great because, like, perfect for me because I'm a single mom and no one cooks for me. So when I get home from work, this is literally about 6 minutes of prep time. And you can keep it on low all day if you want. And then when you get home, you got yourself a sandwich. Now I'm going to take this piece of meat out here. You can put peppers in there too if you guys like. But I'm just going to take this out like that. I don't like cooked onions on mine. I'm going to set it aside. And I want to cut some of the fat off here. Because I don't want that on my bun. Actually, I don't even have to use a knife to cut it. It's so tender. I could just rip it apart. But it's hot. Alright, you guys. This looks delish. And I like a little horsey sauce on mine. Give it a little pizzazz. Instead of just like mayonnaise or whatever or steak sauce, whatever you want on there. Actually, this is just peeling right apart here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is this. Put some of this on my bun. Like that. Yummy, yummy. It's putting love in your tummy. A lot of times I put a little extra Parmesan cheese on there too, but I'm not going to do that tonight. I'll put a little juice on here. Get a little piece of garlic in there. Time for my horsey sauce. I use this, what's it, BROTH Heavenly Horseradish Sauce. BROTH or Barrows. I think it's the Barrows. Pronounce that. Okay. Squeeze that on there. Top it off with a few little Lay's tater chips. That looks really good, you guys. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. I think I want some more on there. Alright, let's taste this bad boy. Maybe put some chips in there too. I think I like my chips in that sandwich. Let's get the nice crunch going in there. Yummy. Okay, let's take a bite. See what it tastes like. Alright, you guys. That is so damn good. Melts in my mouth. I got that flavor of that ribeye. And saltiness and tartness of the horseradish. And my tater chip. Alright, everybody. Happy eating. Arrivederci.